What's up guys, Sal here. So we have a detailed hands-on video of the Galaxy Fold courtesy of Samsung. This gives us a more in-depth look at the device and its functionality. The video actually makes the phone much more desirable than it did on the stage. The transition from the phone to tablet is so smooth and the hinge makes no sound whatsoever. By the way, you can also customize this hinge, which is good because you're paying $2,000 for this, so you deserve to get a premium treatment. Also, cameras are everywhere on this phone. There are 6 cameras in total, a single selfie camera up front, triple cameras at the back, and dual cameras inside. There's also a wireless power share feature, which lets you charge anything that has wireless charging capabilities. That being said, we're at a moment where the tech has gotten so good that it's kinda getting boring, and there are a few reasons to upgrade. But the foldable phones are gonna change that. This is the kind of gadget that comes along maybe once or twice in a decade, and I'm sure people will line up to buy this thing even if it costs $2,000. So the Galaxy Fold's rival is here. Huawei unveiled their foldable smartphone as well, and it's the world's first major smartphone that folds outward. When you unfold it, you get a large 8-inch AMOLED display. When folded, you get a 6.6-inch front display and a 6.4-inch display at the back. As you can see, it folds outwards unlike the Galaxy Fold. I prefer foldable smartphones that fold inwards than those fold outwards because the screens on these phones are not glass. They are some kind of plastic displays, which are obviously not as scratch resistant as the glass, so they'll surely get scratched easily. Since Huawei's phones fold outward, it has significantly more chances of getting scratched than the Galaxy Fold, which folds inwards. And I doubt you can put a screen protector on this thing, which makes things even worse. But apart from that, this device looks cool. I would say in some ways it looks even better than the Galaxy Fold because it doesn't have a notch up there. The transition from tablet to phone is smooth, and honestly, this looks particularly impressive in a folded state. You get that beautiful 6.6-inch display with no distraction whatsoever, and to take a selfie, just flip the device and take it from the second screen. They'll release this handset toward the middle of this year and will cost a fortune to get it. Huawei has priced this €2,300, which translates to $2,600, but I don't think there's a need to convert it into the US dollars because it's not releasing in the United States for obvious reasons. In any case, these prices will come down in future once they start making more of these, and really excited for this tech. I'm happy more companies are making foldable phones because that will make it easy for the foldable tech to catch on and become mainstream, which eventually will bring the cost down. Let me know your thoughts. Do you prefer this or the Galaxy Fold? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.